This is one of the most important thing that as a beginner you have to understand before jumping onto this business. You have to find out what product is selling on Amazon. Not every product is going to be successful on Amazon when you launch it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mirwaleed and I'm the founder of mirwaleed.com. In this video, I'm going to generally talk about Amazon private label and the processes that Amazon private label involves. So I'm going to discuss generally and in specific about how Amazon private label is done. So in the next videos, I'm going to talk about what is Amazon and little bit introduction about Amazon and the Amazon models, and then step by step I'm going to teach you about the steps involved in Amazon private label and how you can launch your own product from scratch. One of the most important to understand before starting your own business or before jumping into Amazon are FBA and FBM. So what does FBA means? FBA means fulfillment by Amazon. So Amazon ships, picks, packs, everything is done by Amazon. So your business is kind of on automation when it comes to picking, packing, shipping and handling the returns, right? So on FBM, on the other hand, is like fulfillment by merchant. So you are the merchant, you have to handle everything. So let's say you are you have a product, you have the stock of that product, you have to have a warehouse where you can store the product and then ship to your customers or ship whenever there is an order. And if the customer doesn't like your product, then you have to handle the return as well. So it's kind of a hustle in FBM, I would say. Whereas on FBA, what happens is Amazon have the warehouse. Amazon is putting the labels on your product, and then they are shipping your product to the customer. So all you need to do in FBA is have a laptop, have an internet connection, and do all the processes from your home or from your office or your workspace. So it's kind of very easy in FBA. So that's why most of the people who do business on Amazon do FBA, because let's say I'm in Pakistan and my business is going on in the UK. I can't own a warehouse or I can't have a team there, because that's a big hustle. And let's say in FBA model, what I have to do is just follow the instruction of Amazon and just send my product to Amazon warehouse, and Amazon can do all the steps. So this is one of the most important thing that as a beginner you have to understand before jumping onto this business, whether you want to do FBA or whether you want to do FBM, right? So let's say you want to do FBA, and let's move to the next step. And so what basically is private label? So private label, in easy words, I would say, let's say I have this mobile phone, and this is a Redmi mobile phone. So before Redmi, let's say I got this mobile phone, I got this manufacturer from China, and I want this mobile phone to be sold on Amazon. What I will do is I will put my logo, my brand name on this product and register my patent, trademark, brand registry with Amazon or in the country where I'm selling, and then I will ship that product to Amazon warehouse. So the whole process of building your own brand is called private label. So basically I have a mobile phone, I have the logo, brand name and everything on the mobile phone, and that is owned by me myself, although I'm manufacturing it from a Chinese supplier or wherever it is easy for you. But end of the day, it's mine. So I own this property, you can say. So now it's time to sell on Amazon, and you are a private label owner, or you are a private label brand owner, right? That's the concept of private label. Any product you pick, you put your name on it, you put your brand name more specifically on it, you have a logo, and you go through the trademark, and then you have a brand registry with Amazon, and you start selling on any of the market, let's say amazon.com or amazon.co.uk. So that's how Amazon private label works. So the first step whenever you have to jump into Amazon private label, the first step is, you have to find a product. So you have to find out what product is selling on Amazon. Not every product is going to be successful on Amazon when you launch it. So the first step is going to find a product. Now find a manufacturer is the second step, which is the supplier, basically we call it. So most of the time we do this through Alibaba, and all things are done from your home. What you need is to have these skills in place, and get your steps done so you can launch your own brand or own product on Amazon. So once you are done with your manufacturing, once you pay the supplier, now supplier ships your product through sea or through by air to Amazon warehouse, and you have the Amazon Seller Central, which is the Amazon selling account. So you have the Amazon selling account or Amazon Seller Central, and now you can see your listing going live on Amazon, and you can now run marketing on it, or you can say PPC on it, and you can get sales and get profits out of it. Of course, there is going to be a complete process, and the steps involved in all these processes is not that easy, but that's the basic basic steps to go into and do the research to properly launch your brand. So the proper steps will come as I will keep uploading more videos. So my next video is going to be on Amazon itself, like why you want to invest on Amazon, what is Amazon, and a little introduction, so you can have more clarification about why you want to do Amazon FBA. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any questions about this Amazon private label model, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching.